Do you keep getting a login error? Please restart the game or check your network on Mobile Legends Bang Bang on iPhone. Follow this easy and advanced troubleshooting guide to fix the problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Check iPhone storage. This problem can also happen due to storage issues. So, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you're running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games, and also you can delete some photos and videos to free up some space. And then restart your phone. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Mobile Legends Bang Bang, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Then restart the phone to check your issue. After following the process, hope your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.